this video we will discuss how to calculate the number of electrons present in a molecule of an element. Like today I will explain you how to calculate electrons in a molecule of an element. See, like they will give you sums like NO3, NO3. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, oxygen atomic number is 8. Because down 3 is there, 8 into 3 is equals to 8 into 3, 24. Because 7 is here, plus 7 gives you 31 electrons. We will do the second type of sum. Al2O3. Aluminium atomic number is equals to 13. Because down 2 is there, into 2. Oxygen atomic number is 8. Because down 3 is there, into 3 gives you 13 into 2, 26, plus 8 into 3, 24 gives you 50 electrons. We will do the third type of sum. This is a bit difficult. Fe3+. The atomic number of iron is 26. Because plus 3 is there, you have to do minus 3. You have to do reverse method in this type of plus 3, plus 2, minus 3. If they give minus, you have to do plus. Because their plus is here, we will do minus. Minus 3 gives you 23 electrons. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to educational videos.